Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're finding the x and y intercepts of a linear equation. So here it is, 2x plus 4y equals 8. Show x and y intercepts. The way I like to do these ones is make an xy table. And I know that my x-intercept occurs when y is 0, and my y-intercept occurs when x is 0. So I'll just make this table here. So first, I'm going to plug in 0 for y. So that gives me 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. Well, the 4 times 0 just goes away, so this is 2x equals 8, and I get x equals 4. And now I have my x-intercept. My x-intercept is 4, 0, or my x-intercept is 4. Similarly, I can plug in 0 for the x and find the y-intercept. 2 times 0 plus 4y equals 8. The 2 times 0 goes away, so this is 4y equals 8. Divide both sides by 4, and I get y equals 2. So my y-intercept is 2, or the point 0, 2. And if we click Show X and Y Intercepts, 4, 0, and 0, 2. So that's how it's done. I like to make a t-table, x and y, plug in 0 for y to find the x, plug in 0 for x to find the y. If you want to try more of these, I have this page on andymath.com for finding intercepts. I'll include a link down below in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Comment below if you have any other questions. I'll try to get to them. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.